Why can't more people do this on a Monday morning? Strolling through the countryside, taking their dog for a walk. Why can't more people learn how to build an online business, online income streams, instead of relying on a 9-to-5 job, helping to build somebody else's dreams instead of building your own dreams? Why can't more people do what I did and learn how to do this? Sign up for step-by-step training, join a community of digital entrepreneurs that will help you build your online business and help you build a lifestyle that you love, rather than commuting and selling your time for money. I just don't know why more people don't realise that the world's changed, and in 2020 the world moved online. So when are you going to move online? When are you going to start to build your own online income stream and live the life that you want to live? If you want to find out how you do it, click the button below or at the top. It will take you to my website. Give me your contact details and I'll send you the same free video series that got me started. And look forward to working you on the other side.